Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Magloube or rice with chicken. Magloube means upside down, and I'm gonna show you why we call it that in the end of this video. It's very delicious and famous dish in the Arab world. This dish originally from Palestine. But before we start, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First, let's see the ingredients. I have here 8 chicken drums, but you can use any part of the chicken to make Magloube. Personally, I like drums. It tastes better with Magloube. We also have half kilo of cauliflower, 2 cups of rice rinsed and left in soak for 30 minutes. We also have half spoon of mixed spices, small spoon of curry, half spoon of curcuma, small spoon of cumin, half spoon of black pepper, and salt. We also have small onion, 3 garlic cloves, 2 or 3 bay leaves, half of cinnamon stick, and 5 to 6 of grain cardamom. And for decorate our dish, we're gonna use fried almonds. These are our ingredients, and now let's go and start cooking. First, we have to clean the drums, the chicken. And to do that, we put it on a pot with a little bit of water and leave it until it boils. Take it down, throw the water away, wash the chicken with the hot water, and put it in a new pot. Add the hot water on it and return it back on the stove. Add all the spices that we have with the onion and the garlics. Cover it and leave it cooking. That's gonna take approximately half an hour. And don't forget to add salt on the chicken. Meanwhile, we're gonna fry the cauliflower and the almonds. After you fry the cauliflower, it's good to add a little bit of cumin on it. And now let's see how to make our Magloube. Put the chicken in the bottom of a pot, then add the cauliflower and finally add the rice. After that, add the chicken broth. The water must be 2 centimeters over the rice. Cover it and put it on the stove. Over medium-high heat, leave it until it starts boiling. Uncover it and leave it cooking. After 10 minutes or so, the rice will absorb the most of the water, like you see in the video. In that moment, cover the pot, reduce the heat of the stove, and leave it cooking for around 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, turn the stove off and leave the pot covered for 10 more minutes. On a tray, flip the pot on and leave it for around 5 minutes. Then take the pot off. Now you know why we call it Magloube, upside down. And this is how it looks after we flip it. Add the fried almonds on it and start eating it. You can eat it alone or with salad, a tomato salad. We usually eat it also with natural plain yogurt. That's all for today, my friends. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Goodbye and bon appetit.